Good morning, good morning, good morning. Money Squad, Emoneyshoes family, Ohana, Cakey, aunties, uncles, grandma, all of that stuff. People's like, why is he always in the car? Because I'm always doing so. Y'all haven't noticed it's busy. It's always busy. If y'all don't think the year is moving fast, just think about it. We are halfway through April and almost into May. We are 5 months in the 2021. And I don't care what nobody says, mental tiredness is worse than physical tiredness. Because once your brain, you get a headache, you just are drained. But that's neither here nor there. Because this week we have Who Has the Heat. We have Caramel Wonder, a.k.a. Danny, versus Mr. Attention Sneakers, Mr. K to the Z, as y'all know him on the tube, in the building for Who Has the Heat. Yeah, you see I got on a jacket. This weather has been temperamental. So go ahead. I'm all off subject, right? Go ahead and follow since 313 Retro Queen, McFlyKOF, PMKICKZ, all in the building. Now, like I said, I did a little poll. Y'all want to see those SB, so I will get to those, but I'm going to have to do those inside because there's a lot of details on that shoe. So until I get around to that video, y'all got to settle for this sucker, pathetic, weak sauce video. And we're going to do it like this. Bam! Right to your dome. 10.5 PP personal pair Air Max 90. I've been on my Air Max 90. I've been all types of ways, right? Deodore ways. So I got some more stuff coming in. So hit that notification bell and stay tuned. 10.5 Air Max 90 official colorway white, laser orange. Suggested retail price $120 of them things. You see the QR code, the 4D code, and the RF code. This is interesting because this shoe materials is pretty good. We had some other shoes right next to it for $140. And of course, I got my discount. So I got these joints for about roughly $100. So as you can see, you got your sticker up there, stamp around. You got your paper wafer right there. And look at these beauties. Woo! Look at that laser orange popping right there. Maybe they charge you an extra $20 for the laces, but hey, I don't need the lace. I can order my own. Like so, definitely dope for the summer. Bang, bang. Woo! Look at that. That is fire flames in my opinion. And because it got a little bit of suede somewhere, I guess, or whatever the type material, you always get your mold sticker right there on the shoe. So let me see, where is it? I don't see. I guess it's for this nylon, and I guess, but see it right there, nice, coming in your view. That Nike Air on the ass remind me of the women's Jordan 3. Very, very dope. Laser orange underneath the bottom, coming in very, very nice on the camera. Look at that leather on the toe bar. Woo, look at that. So nice and soft. Not S-O-F-T soft. Soft like, what is that? Enzo Amore and Big Cass soft. Look at that. Woo. Then you got the nylon right here. You got to spray it down, right? Crepe, Jason Mark, Shoe Palace, whatever you want to use. Rejuvenator. Do all of that good stuff. Leather right here. White laces, but I like that laser orange hit on the tongue. Very, very dope. Then you got your Nike Air on the tongue with your trademarks R's, which is dope as well. Coming around on the side, you got the midsole, which is all white, and you got your laser orange swoosh. Look at that, very, very dope. Woo, man, look at that. That is nice. Very, very nice. And Air Max right there on the panel as well. Again, Nike Air on the booty, right? Nike Air on the booty. Coming around on the side, you even got that laser on, which you can see through in the air unit and pretty much on the medial side. Stitching is on point, as you can see. Just hit it right there. Like I said, very, very dope. Coming around inside too, more laser orange, white. So pretty much it's laser orange, white, and nothing else in it. Very well executed shoe for $120. I only seen these in China. I haven't seen in Foot Locker, Foot Action, none of those. Production date is 8/26/20, 12/11/20. So look like this shoe is bright enough to brighten up your day, in my opinion. What y'all think? Y'all think it's too white? or it's just right. So on a little meter, I would give these shoes about a 4.7-ish, 4.65-ish. Colorway is dope. Maybe too white for some people, like, and maybe too light. But I mean, I don't know, maybe could have put some hit somewhere else. And I don't know where particularly. But other than that, it's going to be a very, very nice shoe for the spring and summer if it just warm up a little bit. So other than that, y'all let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to hit that, like I said, thumbs up, like, subscribe, as we're on the way to 7,500, making a pit stop, on the way to 10K. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.